Well, great and fun and easy little etude. Well, easy for me, maybe not really for you, but I hope it will become easy as you practice this. And I'm inviting you guys to try and visit my Patreon page or my YouTube membership site, where for a small fee, you will get access to a walkthrough of this video I'm going to post. I'm going to dig deep into details of this etude and help students understand how to make shifts from first to third position utilizing the open string. So yes, the link is going to be posted here. I hope to see you there. Thank you so much for your support. I appreciate it, and I'll see you there soon. Thanks.